on the 7-inch display now. We've got a new feature this year called Group Ride that we've had in the past, but we've added a non-cell based configuration to it so that you can actually run off-grid now. So if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you've got multiple racers you're with, you can actually connect those vehicles up through this display in a group, and you can see where your buddies are and stay out of the dust. So you can let them, go up half, 3/4 of a mile, hang back, and you can watch where they go right on your display. So that's a pretty cool feature that's new for this year with Ride Command, and that's available on any model we have that's got this 7-inch display starting in model year 2020.
So how do you keep? How does it find everybody in your group?
Yeah, so you go out, when you start up here, once this thing gets done booting, there's this group ride option that you can go to, and you can see you can do this if you have a mobile phone, so that's kind of what we used to do. But you can also do this, it says V2V, which stands for vehicle to vehicle. So if you go in and turn that on, it asks you if you have an antenna. Now all the vehicles ship with one installed from the factory, but if you had a model year 19, those didn't come with the antenna. You can add that as an accessory kit and then upgrade your software and the display through the USB. Once you turn that on, you go back, it'll say looking for nearby groups. So if somebody else had a unit keyed on, you'd actually see their group and you can just click to join. Otherwise, you go to a new group, it comes with some default stuff, we'll just create one. And now if we went to another unit, they would actually see this group called Polaris Rider and they'd be able to join in as well.
And how's it connecting though between the vehicles?
There's a sub-gigahertz antenna that's actually doing basically a small version of a network. So it's broadcasting out your position and then receiving it from other vehicles around you. Yeah, so, and the beautiful part is you don't rely on a cellular connection or satellite.
That's awesome.
So it'll work, within, we say, about a mile or two in most conditions. Like out here where you've got line of sight for 10 miles, you may be able to get, a few more than 2. But that's kind of the expected range you'll see in almost, any condition.